The sticky header has been added to 2.x and upgraded. This is a popular feature because it allows you to keep your social media icons and support us button pinned to the top while you scroll. You will notice that when you scroll, the padding above and below the logo will be slightly reduced, so as not to take too much vertical space, even though the header is sticky. And here's the mobile version of the sticky header, where you can see that the logo, the support us button, and the option to open up the wider mobile menu remain pinned at the top as well. The sticky header option will be disabled by default. To enable it, you have to go into Site Options, Layout, and Header. Here you can enable it globally or choose to keep it disabled. Regardless of the global setting you choose, you can always override it in individual posts or pages settings. So in order to do that, you can go into Options, Layout Settings, and either enable or disable the sticky header here. For example, if you would like to have your sticky header only on the homepage, you could disable this feature globally, but then go into your homepage settings and enable it there only. And please note that the sticky header setting you choose will not apply to the immersive story template, where the sticky header will always be disabled.